The 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, climate control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, power door locks, MP3 player. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.